Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be turning these ugly bitten nails into something much better. First I'm going to start off by prepping my nails and taking some cuticle dissolver and placing that around my cuticle, and then I'm pushing them back. Once I finish that, I'm going to take a lint-free wipe and some rubbing alcohol and just clean that up a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with my e-file with my sanding band and just buff up the surface of the nail and just remove any dead skin that might be there. Going in with my gelish dehydrator, I'm going to place that on all of my nails, and then I'm going to go in with Young Nails Protein Bond and place that on all of my nails as well. I'm sorry for my right hand on my thumb. It's scabbed underneath from when I nearly ripped it off on a cabinet, so please ignore that. I know it's not cute. So for this set, I'm using my NotPolish Universal Tips. These are stilettos that you can cut down to any shape, and I'm using my Young Nails glue, which is kind of getting a little bit old. I can see that it's getting really stringy, although that makes me sad because I really like this glue and it's like not gone yet and I don't want to buy another one just yet. But once I have those all on, I'm just going to cut them down a little bit shorter. I really can't do long nails, but I feel like this design is for long nails. I've been inspired with the weather getting much nicer, so I really wanted to do a dried flower set. Going in with this gel polish. This is a cat eye gel polish that's reflective. Also, it's so pretty. I'm applying one coat and then I'm going to cure that in the lamp, and then I'm going to go in with the second coat, and that's when I'm going to use the magnet to create that design. Once I'm all set with that, I cure that in the lamp for a full minute, and now I'm taking these dried flowers. I got a little bit from everywhere. These ones here are from Makartt. The other one I got in a giveaway box that I don't think I ended up using anything from there anyway. They were just too big and they didn't look right when I was like cutting them down, but these Makartt ones turned out really nice. So I'm just placing those all on my nail. My phone ran out of storage, so I apologize I couldn't get all of them before I realized that it like stopped recording. It was a little bit too late at that point. So I was able to fix it, and I'm showing you what I'm doing here on my middle finger and also my ring finger. Just adding those flowers. I really want to cover up the free edge where it meets my nail tip because I don't want to be able to see that through my nail design. I go through and I clear cap everything with some NotPolish clear acrylic. And I'm showing you here on one nail because again of a storage issue, I apologize. But yeah, I'm just making these kind of wet beads. I did not really glue these flowers down good enough. I was using base coat to put them on. So there were some edges that were lifted up. I suggest like making sure they're all really secure and flat before you go to encapsulate because it did make it a little bit more difficult. This is how they look after everything has been clear capped, and then I do file off camera. This is how we are looking after everything has been filed, shaped, and buffed. I'm going to clean that up with some rubbing alcohol. I decided to go through and add some stickers because I thought it'd be a cute addition to this nail set. These stickers I got from Makartt also. Once I top coat and cure in the lamp for a full minute, I'm going in with some Young Nails Rose Cuticle Oil, placing that on my nails, and this here is the finished look. I really love the way that these came out. I think they're absolutely perfect for spring. They are so pretty. You have to see what they look like with the flash on. But I just love the flower nail design that's going around right now. Just adding the butterflies really made these pop for me. Here's the shimmer underneath the flowers. Just adds a little something to make it a little more dimensional. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!